Hey guys, this is Connor. I just want to make a quick note before we move on to the tone test today. And that's exactly what this video is. It's a camera and tone test. Just wanted to see if my camera settings were right and my render settings for the audio were correct. Just sort of to see how they translate once they're uploaded to YouTube, because there's some compression that goes on. So I'm planning on releasing a full cover here soon. I'll probably be doing some takes tonight, so we'll just see how it goes. We'll see how much time I get. Just let me know how much you like the tone. I think I got it pretty darn close. Maybe have some EQ and some reverb settings to change, and that should be about it. So yeah, enjoy.
It's not enough to fill me up.